right, you guys, we moved to 3507 on the 35th floor, and here is our new room tour and our beautiful guide.
All right, so this is the Executive Madison suite. So as you can see, we have the living room here. We have a nice king size bed. This room is actually about 3 times bigger than the last room we were in. Over here we have the nice dining area. You can actually walk around here. There's a lot of space in this one. And then over here, you have the hallways to the closet. You have your mini bar filled with champagne, Classe Azul. You have a lot of closet space over here. Put all your luggage, your safe, more alcohol. Over here you have more closet space with your ironing board, your iron and your robes over there. The bathroom is really nice in here too, so you have a nice walk-in shower, bathtub combination.
Uh-oh, we got a tub, you guys.
Over here we have the toilet room.
We didn't have a tub in the last
We have
one.
a nice mirror over here. And if you guys come over here, you can see the views. So this is the city view. Look how nice that is.
Oh, nice. I like it. Why don't you open up also this big curtain over here? I think there's views over here. Let's see.
And over here, you have more views of the city.
Oh, yes, we do. Nice. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yes.
So many panoramic city views. And yeah, guys.
So this is the room, and I think we love it.
We love it.
Yes, we do.
The Madison Suite.